Hello friends, you are welcome back to my channel. My name is Josie. On this channel, we talk more about cash staffing, savings challenges, and also a lot about my student loan, which is our last debt that we are paying as a family of 8. So if it's something that you would like, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it so that you don't miss any of my video. Welcome guys. I'm recording this video early in the morning before I run out to work. So I do have my coffee here. I'm trying to drink only 1 cup of coffee every day. I used to drink like 2, 3, but just 1. Keep watching. For those of you who are new here, my name is Josie once more. Hi, hello. I hope you are doing very well today. Today is Monday, and I want to start by saying that have a nice week. But I want to share with you today is a motivational message that I do on my channel here. For those of you who are new here, you're going to hear me reading Bible quotation, motivational messages. I'm a fan of those things because it kind of motivate us to move forward. So today is 22nd and it's saying move forward. It's just a simple message to everybody, but I just want to tell you, move forward. The stuff that you want to do, move forward with it. If your instinct is telling you to do something, move forward with it. It's a very simple one, but it talks to us a lot. I'm challenging you this week. The things that you want to do, I'm trusting you that take a leap of faith. Trust me, a leap of faith and move forward. It's going to change you a lot. I'm a living testimony. There's a lot of things that I take a leap of faith to move forward, and it works like this. But before I do that, I pray about it. I'm a Christian, so I pray about it. So take a leap of faith this week and move forward. So now let's dive into the video. You guys have seen me working on this 100 MV savings challenge for lowest income. Like I've been telling people, even if you don't have money, try this challenge. So today we're going to do, let me make sure I'm saying my numbers right, 31 to 40. We are doing 31 to 40. That's today. Let me push my stuff here because I want it to be in the camera. Okay, I think everybody can see that. So this is the part 4 and it's 31 to 40. And if you've been watching me, you will know how we're going about it. We are doing math here. We are doing calculation. But a very simple one. I would say I think it would be like 2nd grade or 1st grade math. So everybody can do it. But before we do that, let's count the money. I'm not using calculator, so I'm going to do math for this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So we have 21. Let's keep that in our head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 25. So 25 plus 21 will give us 46. Then we have 1, 2, 3. That's 30. So that will be 76. So we have 76 going to 31 to 40. So that's what we're going to do. And I tell you, we are doing math. So that's 76, right? Okay, let's see. So today we are doing 31. 31 will be 3 plus 1, which is 4. So we have 4 going in here. I used not to like Mondays because it's the beginning of the week, but trust me, Mondays are the best. It's kind of like a fresh start kind of thing. So if you are not a Monday person, I feel you. I'm not. But I want to make it like a very special one for me so that the week will go very well. So I'm trying to love Mondays, but the way I'm doing it, I'm making sure Monday I kick off my routines. I want to make sure Monday I kick off my routines, my daily routines, like morning routine, evening routine. Then it will continue throughout the whole week. 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay, so let me do just 5 like this. And I'm going to leave it on the screen so yeah, you guys will follow along to know which numbers I'm doing. Like I said, if you have an 100 envelope savings challenge and you haven't done it, try it this way. Then 3 plus 3 is 6. And you can also leave in the comment for me if you are taking a leap of faith to do something this week that you are scared about to do. Leave in the comment and I'm here to cheer you on. Yes, I'm here to encourage you. I'm here to give you all the vibe. So 3 plus 4 is 7. Yeah, at times we just need somebody to just encourage us. Okay, so today is very, very easy. 3 plus 5 is 8. So 8. Like this is heavy a little bit. Mix the ends very well. Then we're gonna put it in. Yeah, this is not really even bad at all. So let's see. Okay, that's not bad at all. Then we have 3 plus 6 is 9. Do the hands very well. Okay, even that one wasn't bad at all because that's like 4 of them. Okay, then we have, let me skip some of my thing. We have 3 plus 7 is 10. Then we have 3 plus 8 is 11. Okay, then we have 3 plus 9 is 12. Okay, then 4 plus 0 is 4. I really love it when I get to this place. Like 4 plus 0 is 4. I'm just going to put $4. I'm not putting 40. I really, really love it. Like me and my family, we are doubling it up, my husband and I. So it means that when I get to 40, I'm going to put 80. That's quite a lot of money. Yeah, so I really love it. But we are saving it for a project, so it's quite a big money, about 20,000. So that's what we're doing. So that's 4. That's really cool. Instead of 40, I put 4. This one is cool. So we done up to 40. Let me go ahead update my tracker. Where's my pen? Where are you, pen? I have you here. Okay. Do it quick. Okay. Then we're going to update. This one is the proper update, because this one is the one that we are really putting the actual numbers. So we did 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, then we did 4. This is so cool. Look at the numbers. Very, very easy numbers. So today, I want to show you guys, for those of you who haven't started, if you haven't started the challenge, this is how far we have been. We done 1 to 40. When you get to the double digit, you're going to add the numbers. So example is, when you get to 10, instead of putting 10, you're going to do 1 plus 0, which is $1. So that's how we are doing it. So all these ones were doubled. So 1 plus 5 is 6. That's what I put in instead of 15. Yeah, and we done up to 40. Is this not so beautiful? I'm admiring this. Look at that. Yeah, this is so nice. So if you haven't started your 100 envelope savings challenge and you have it and you really want to start with this one. And we will see the amount at the end when we are done, and you will see the amount that you have saved within a short time. So that's what we are doing. And I want to give a special shout out to all my new subscribers. Thank you for being part of my friends. I really appreciate you. For my OGs, you guys know already. That I'm sending all the loves to you guys. I love you guys so much. I will see you in my next video. Have a nice week. And also remember, move forward. The things that you've been holding on to. Why are you holding it on? Move forward. Bye-bye.